Have a look at this. This is your euro positioning, and this is your dollar position. Don't front run me. Don't go to the euro. I want to focus on my dollar bets. Don't skip off into the Draghi land. They're the most bearish in 4 years. So it's a very crowded trade. Or is it? Tell me what's going on out there. I think
if you're looking at the more speculative end of the market, are people becoming more bearish about the dollar? Absolutely. If you're talking, though, about real money, you're talking about the flows over the last 5 or 6 years, I still think we're only in the early stages of people unwinding those dollar positions. There's massive amounts of money went into the US in 2012, 2013, particularly 2014, as it flowed away from negative yields. And I think that it's only really been since March that you've started to see a reversal in that trend. So I still think we're at the peak, close to the peak of dollar positioning in the real money world, and I think there's an awful lot that can come out.
So where does that take us next then for the dollar? What are your expectations, your forecast, Simon?
Well, I think certainly dollar lower through the remainder of this year, and in my own opinion is we've actually hit the peak of the third great dollar trend of the last 40 years. So actually I think we could be in a multi-year downtrend here, but the question mark is how other central banks react to this. We've already seen a sense of that with what we're seeing out to Australia. I know we're going to talk about these things later, but it depends on how other central banks react. My feeling is that maybe we're moving back a little bit towards currency wars again, where the US actually isn't that uncomfortable with a weaker dollar. And other central banks suddenly start to realise that they have an issue, because where's the money going to go to if the US is pulling back? It's going to go to the euro, it's going to go to Australia. All those places have suffered with dollar weakness over the course of the last 10 or 15 years.